Here we go, Netflix. We're going to put orders out at 143.50. They're going to report out earnings in after hours, MMTs. So basically, I'm going to drop my bid down here for 500 shares. I'm going to hit buy. And that's at $143.50 a share. Here we go. I don't have a headline number. However, there was a little bit of a green tick right here, MMTs, and we are well below the market. We got a bid to buy. We got a bid to buy. Intraday had 266 highs. If I see a big knee jerk down at 143.50, that puts me almost $10 below the market and takes out $5,000 worth of risk times a $10 point downside move. I do not have a headline number, but we're anxiously waiting with bids out at 143.50 MMT. We just had a big downtick right here. They're coming back up. They missed me. 142 was a drop down. There we go. I don't have a headline number. We had a big drop down right here to 142. It's right here. You've seen those bids out there. We've been in and out and ka-chingy, chingy, ching, ching, ching. Now we're bouncing off of that 142 back up here. We have those preliminary bids out there. There it is, MMT. We got Netflix. We have them bids out there live on tape at 143.50. Peter Beatty got hit, and they took it right up to the top. That means it closed, people, at 153, and we had orders out at 143.50 on the drop down. It's live. It's on the tape. There it went. That's the close. That's the entry where the SMF trader got that wholesale drop down bid, and then they burned it off, and that's called the SMF wholesale bid. And I'm printing at 161, and I'm flying, and senior traders got hit as well, and they're still in it, and that is the way it goes. And let me tell everybody, hey, MMTs closed at 143, drop down bid to 143.50. They hit it. Bounced at $20 off the low, and the MMTs got hit. After hours, MMTs, welcome again as we rejoice in this trade and the glory that it brought us. And I got the earnings report, and we can see how we bought it down here. We already have live videos if it's your first time watching this one, but this is for MMTs. MMT Ken Flag got it. A couple other MMTs got it. Quite a few other people got it, and they were able to buy almost $10 on that drop down bid, and they ran it right up and sold into it. And all those trades are live. But we're going to go, and they're going to be in a thing there where you can see them. So look at earnings of 70 cents per share. That's 1 penny worse than Reuters. 71 cents. That's light. Revenues rose 31% year to year to $553 million. Reuters consensus was 550 million. Netflix sees total subscribers in the range of 19.0 to 19.7 million. Okay. Previous guidance was 17.7 to 18.5 million. Netflix reports Q3 total subscribers rose to 16.9 million. Guidance was for 16.3 by 16.7. What that means is that their previous guidance is that they were able to come into that, so that's why they're trying to reward them in that respect, MMTs. However, in my view, the company issues an inline guidance. That's not good, and sees an EPS of 59 to 74 versus 70, so that's the low end, and they put it up there at the high end. But here's the key. Q4 revs of 586 to 598 million versus 593. Reuters is. So that's the revenue on the lower end, and there's the higher end. They give mixed guidance, EPS of 2.68 to 2.83 and versus 2.79 Reuters. Okay. Revs of 2.15 to 2.16 billion versus 2.17. So this is a little concerning no matter what, because it's light, that number. Therefore, the key metrics are that they had given previous upside guidances, and they were able to meet that guidance, SMF MMTs. So that's why you got the spike in it. However, we will be looking at it over time as to where that news and these revenues are going to catch up, because there's a little bit of something wrong. Number one, they missed by a penny. Okay, their gross margins are 37.7%. Reuters was for 37.5%. So basically, Q2 SAC was 19.81 compared to 24.37 in Q2. That churn rate was 3.8% compared to 4.0 in Q2. And then that's where this mixed guidance and all that other stuff comes in. So basically, there's some pros and some cons as to what this report is about. And once we're off the video, MMTs, during our live trading session and or weekend training session, is we're going to get more down in depth so that I can teach you everything about what's inside of the peanut butter pie.